Ever wondered what magic can occur when different ingredients blend together? Well, let's whisk away on a culinary journey. Imagine this, a humble butler, with a twinkle in his eye and a spring in his step, diligently working in the heart of a grand, bustling kitchen. The metallic clanging of pots and pans echoes around him like a symphony of sounds accompanying his every move. He's a maestro, his kitchen, the orchestra. A dash of this, a sprinkle of that, and voila, a concoction that would make even the sternest taste buds dance with delight. The butler's creations are not just about taste, but an adventure of colors and textures, each dish a masterpiece in itself. Ah, the aroma wafting from the kitchen. It's a signal, a sign. The food is ready. Anticipation fills the air as if the entire house holds its breath, waiting for the unveiling of the butler's culinary creation. And then, a gasp escapes from a young observer, a child, wide-eyed and full of wonder. "Look, Mummy," the child exclaims, "it's like a rainbow snack." Indeed, the dish is a riot of colors, a vibrant display of the butler's culinary prowess. Each color a different flavor, each flavor a distinct experience. The child's mother, with a knowing smile, nods in agreement. "Yes, darling, it's wonderful, isn't it?" she says, her eyes reflecting the same wonder in her child's. A cheer fills the room. "Yay!" they all exclaim in unison, their voices ringing with delight and excitement. The butler, standing tall amidst the joyous clamor, flashes a triumphant smile. His masterpiece has been appreciated, his efforts rewarded. In summary, our kitchen maestro, the humble butler, showed us the magic that can happen when different ingredients are mixed together. Not only did he create a delicious dish, but he also crafted an experience, a rainbow snack that delighted everyone. The anticipation, the reveal, and the final cheer. It was a culinary journey that will be remembered for a long time. Remember, great things can happen when we blend different elements together, in food and in life. So don't be afraid to mix things up a bit. You might just create your own rainbow snack.